Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Please do subscribe and join the family. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you the TranscribeMe audio transcription solution. So yes, this is it. I'm not going to play the whole thing for you. I'm going
Because
to show
often
you.
what you would see is when they discuss the goals.
Remember, this has to be small letters as per instruction.
When they discuss the gold standard, they'll put the gold standard under fixed exchange rates. So the gold standard would be one example of fixed exchange rates, and that would be right alongside things like fiat currencies created by a World Bank. There would be a fiat currency in the view of Keynes and some of the later Keynesians, which would be issued by a World Bank, and then individual currencies would be tied to that world currency by fixed exchange rates. So the gold standard was there, and then on the other side was fluctuating exchange rates, and those were a system in which different national currencies.
Okay guys, so this is the solution. Okay, so let's see if I actually got it correct. Well, this is my second attempt, so we are just going to check out if we got it right. 95%. I wonder what went wrong. Okay, so guys, you need 97% to pass this test. So clearly my solution is what you shouldn't do, but you can use it as a guideline and then try to aim for the extra 2% to get to 97%. Okay guys, good luck with your attempt, and please do subscribe to the channel if you like these kind of videos.